Hey, this is Crypto Neptune, and I'm on to talk about the Trump meme coin craze as it has been a crazy 48 hours as Donald Trump launches a meme coin. So, we're going to talk about what transpired over the last 48 hours and what happened today. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice, only use risk capital, and thank you to those who continue to support the channel. So, Friday night, I was at a basketball game. So, I was enjoying the basketball game, and after the game, I traveled home, and once I got home, I was checking X, and then lo and behold, Trump had launched a meme coin. Now it had already ran up. I believe I was able to get in at like right around $5, but because I was roughly 30 minutes or so late, so I was able to get in. But that shows kind of the magnitude of when Trump tries when he talks about something from a financial perspective, it just moves mountains, and that's kind of what happened here. And many people thought, okay, well, this is a scam, this is not real, but lo and behold, here is his official website, and as you can see on here, it's easy for onboarding. You can use a debit card, you can buy with crypto, so it's a great tool to get more people into the crypto space because 99% of America doesn't even know that exists. So it's going to be easy for people to onboard. Now, there's different other centralized exchanges in which you can buy the Trump meme coin. If you want to support the channel, I will leave my crypto.com referral link in the YouTube description. Feel free to use it. But going down here, hey, this is kind of what he symbolizes, all that he went through, as far as the assassination attempt and all that good stuff. And then here is the allocation. So there are 20 million Trump available on day one and will grow to a total of 1 billion Trump over 3 years. Each group's allocation are released on their own schedule over 3 years. So something to keep in mind as more and more supply will be issued out over the years. But again, why is this bullish? This is bullish because number one, he's going to be onboarding people into crypto. Number two, remember, anything that his base, anything that he tells his base, they're going to do it. Whether it's buying his hat, whether it's buying a T-shirt, whether it is buying an NFT, whether it's buying a crypto, it's going to all sell out. So it's going to full port this to even more billions and billions and billions of a market cap, could get to even $1 trillion market cap. That's how crazy these next 4 years could potentially be. So on Friday, here is, let's go to the price. So on Friday, let's see if this, yeah, here it just kept going and going and going. It was a crazy run up, and it finally got up to a little over $75 here. Let's look at this wick here. Yeah, a little over $75 as an all-time high. And again, like I mentioned, I can only scoop some at right around $5 because it had already just was already in the billions of a market cap when I got home. Right now, it's sitting at a $9.3 billion market cap and sitting at $46.56. So what happened today? So today, what ended up happening was, here's where I think the Trump team went wrong. They should have waited a couple of weeks down the road and launched Melania's coin. That's my personal opinion. I would have waited. There is no sense because you're killing the momentum of the Trump coin. Now, again, when more of America finds out about the Trump coin this week, it's going to port back up. So there was a sell-off because some people that didn't get the opportunity to have the full advantage, they basically full ported into Melania. So they sold off Trump into Melania. So here's the thing. Melania is the beta play. So for me, it's just going to be a flip. So I'm going to enter in and then enter out. It's a flip. and I'll keep my Solana and I'll figure out if I want to DCA back into Trump or just hold my Solana in my wallet and figure out what I want to do from there. But, and as you can see, after the sell off, it had a rally back up, which is good. It's showing strength. But look at this though, 7.23 million in liquidity. So if you're somebody that's a whale, you can easily get in and out of trades, guys. So let me show you something. Here's a 300K buy right here. Somebody had 300K just laying around and is full ported into the Trump meme. And again, like his base are fanatics. That's how his base is. There was another one in here. There was $1 million buy. I hope I can find it for you guys. But it's just continues to. Here's a 200K buy. I hope I can find it for you. In this, in here, let's see if I can find it. They have some just crazy buys. 10K buys. Here's another one. 400K. Just like that, somebody just said, "Oh, you know what? I got 400K laying around, so I'm just gonna buy here." This is what we're gonna do. So we'll do 400K, and we'll do I'll just do like 4 million because I'm curious to see if. So look at this. Somebody 633K. Guys, I haven't seen anything like this. $1 million. Somebody dropped into this meme. I have never seen like that, anything like that ever in crypto, ever. That's just nuts. And here, somebody dropped $2.82 million into this meme coin. That's insanity. And it's good, and it's good, because that person, I know they're up big because they went like full port. So just wanted to show you kind of how 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 crazy people are about this meme, and of course about the official Trump meme and Trump himself. So now so we're at 817K holders over 48 hours. So this will double this week. It'll double. It'll be over a million. That again, half of America, 99% of America doesn't even know what's going on. They're just completely lost. So here, Eric Trump, he talks about, hey, he's excited about the Trump meme, and then Donald Trump retweets it. Then Melania, so she drops a meme. So let's look at her meme. So she drops a meme today, and it just goes on a crazy run. Here, let's see. I'm just waiting for this to load. She drops it again. Like I said, if I was on the Trump team, I would have waited. But because you're cannibalizing each asset, but if they had to let Trump run, it would have just ran forever. That's how crazy people are about it. So okay, so here's people again. They're trying to figure out, oh, is this a scam? I don't know what's going on. Blah blah. And it's right now it's sitting at $12. So I will swing trade this because it's a beta play. I was only able to get in like right around $8, but I'll let it run a little bit more and then take profits, and then I'll figure out what I want to do from there. But it's still early. It's still young for this meme today. So let it run today. Tomorrow, I don't know what to expect tomorrow. I really don't know what to expect tomorrow. It could be a massive sell off. It could continue to run up. Usually on events like that, normally there's like a pullback. On inauguration day, there'll be a pullback, and yeah, it looks like she has 274K holders, sitting at a $12.33 billion market cap. So this one has only been 4 hours. So people are like, oh, this is fake. What's going on? This is not real. So But it's crazy. So again, this is not a video to say you need to get into these memes. It is not. This is me talking about the craziness of what's happening with these memes. If you decide to get into it, use your best judgment, use risk capital, and remember, these assets are extremely volatile like you have never seen in your entire life. This is like volatility on steroids. So you have to remember that. You're going to have violent upswings, violent pullbacks. When there's a sell off, it's going to be violent. So you're going to have the stomach for it if you're in it. If you don't have the stomach for it, stay away. But yeah, look at her, 393 million in liquidity, so you can get in and out of trades. How far this will run up, I don't know. Will more members in the family launch a meme? It could be, it could be, but those again will be the beta play. Trump is the main play and could have some nice value in the future. So I want to thank you for listening and thanks for stopping by.